Hi, welcome. This is Chiranjeevi. Today's topic is continuity, where this will be asked in the part E part. There you will get one compulsory question for 4 marks. Limits and continuity. Suppose f is a real function on a subset of the real numbers and let c be a point in the domain of f. Then f is continuous at c if limit extends to c f of x equal to f of c. See here, the limit of the function and the function of the value is same. Then we call it as f is continuous. A function is continuous at x equal to c if the function is defined at x equal to c and if the value of the function at x equal to c equals the limit of the function at x equal to c. A real function f is said to be continuous at every point in the domain of f. Suppose f is function defined on a closed interval a comma b. Then for f to be continuous, it need to be continuous at every point in a comma b including the end points a and b. Continuity of f at a means limit extends to a plus f of x equal to f of a, and continuity of f at b means limit extends to b plus f of x equal to b. Left hand limit, we call it as LHL equal to limit extends to a minus f of x. Right hand limit RHL equal to limit extends to a plus f of x. A function f is said to be continuous at x equal to a if LHL equal to RHL equal to f of a. See here, if you have only one function, the limit of the function and the function of value need to be same, then f is continuous. If you have in closed interval or two functions are given, we need to go for LHL and RHL and check the function of the value. Then we call it as f is continuous. Now problems. First one, find the value of k if f of x equal to k cos x divided by pi minus 2x, x not equal to pi by 2, 3x equal to pi by 2 is continuous at x equal to pi by 2, which is asked in the years March 2014, March 2017 and June 2019. Given f of pi by 2 is 3. F of x is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. What is continuous is limit of the function and the function of the value need to be same. So limit extends to pi by 2, f of x equal to f of pi by 2. So limit extends to pi by 2, k cos x divided by pi minus 2x equal to 3. Now here limit extends to pi by 2, k will be as it is, cos x can be taken as sin 90 minus x. Here we are writing cos x as sin 90 minus x. In the denominator, if I take 2 common outside, it will be pi by 2 minus x equal to RHS will be 3. Now here x is tending to pi by 2. If I shift x to this side, pi by 2 minus x will also tends to 0. So here limit pi by 2 minus x tends to 0. K sin pi by 2 minus x divided by 2 into pi by 2 minus x equal to, and here we get it as k by 2 equal to 3, where the value of limit pi by 2 minus x tends to 0, sin pi by 2 minus x divided by pi by 2 minus x will be 1. This derivation already you have learnt in first year. So the value of k is 6. The value of k is 6. Very important problem for 4 marks. Now the next problem, find the value of k if f of x equal to kx plus 1, x less than or equal to 5, 3x minus 5, x greater than 5 is continuous at x equal to 5, which is asked in the years March 2015 and March 2019. The given function f is continuous at x equal to 5 if f is defined at x equal to 5 and if the value of f at x equal to 5 equals the limit of f at x equal to 5. So which is, now we find f of 5. What is f of 5 will become kx plus 1 will become 5k plus 1. So here limit extends to 5 minus f of x equal to limit extends to 5 plus f of x equal to f of 5. So limit extends to 5 minus, where is the value of f of x is negative, is kx plus 1 equal to limit extends to 5 plus f of x 5 plus value is 3x minus 5 equal to f of 5 value is 5k plus 1. So now replacing the value of x by 5, it will be 5k plus 1 equal to 3 into 5 minus 5, which is 15 minus 5 equal to 5k plus 1, which we can take it as 5k plus 1 equal to 10, 5k equal to 10 minus 1, which is 9, k equal to 9 by 5. This is also an important problem for 4 marks. Next, third one, find the value of k if f of x equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x, x not equal to 0, 3k x equal to 0 is continuous at x equal to 0, which is asked in the year March 2016. See here, from given f of 0 will be 3k. F of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Limit extends to 0, f of x equal to f of 0. Limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x by 1 minus cos x equal to 3k. And here limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x can be taken as 2 sin square x, and multiplying and dividing by 1 plus cos x, which is rationalizing. So in the denominator it will be 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x can be taken as 1 minus cos square x. So limit extends to 0 minus 2 sin square x. In the denominator 1 minus cos square x is nothing but sin square x into 1 plus cos x equal to 3k. So sin square x and sin square x cancels. If we need to remove the limit, I need to substitute the value of x is 0. So it will be 2 into 1 plus cos 0 equal to 3k. So it will be 4 equal to 3k, k equal to 4 by 3. Now the next problem, find the value of k if f of x equal to kx square x less than or equal to 2. 3 x equal to 2 is continuous at x equal to 2, which is asked in the years July 2016 and July 2018. And the given function is continuous. We know given f of 2 must be equal to 3. So limit extends to 2, f of x equal to limit extends to 2 kx square. So if you substitute the limit, it will be k into 2 square equal to 4k. So now 4k equal to 3, k equal to 3 by 4. Next problem, for what value of lambda is the function defined by f of x equal to lambda into x square minus 2x if x less than or equal to 0, 4x plus 1 if x greater than 0, continuous at x equal to 0, which is asked in the year July 2017. So now we find f of 0. F of 0 will be lambda of 0 square minus 0 equal to 0. So now we take LHL equal to RHL equal to function of the value. Limit extends to 0 minus f of x equal to limit extends to 0 plus f of x equal to f of 0. So limit extends to 0 minus lambda of x square minus 2x equal to limit extends to 0 plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So if you substitute, it will be 0, 1, 0. But 0 is not equal to 1, which 1 is not equal to 0, which is not possible. Therefore, there is no value of lambda for which f is continuous at x equal to 0. Now the next problem, find the relationship between a and b so that the function f defined by f of x equal to ax plus 1 if x less than or equal to 3. Bx plus 3 if x greater than 3 is continuous at x equal to 3, which is asked in the year March 2018. So now we find f of 3. F of 3 will become 3 into a plus 1. So limit extends to 3 minus f of x equal to limit extends to 3 plus f of x equal to f of 3. So limit extends to 3 minus function is ax plus 1 equal to limit extends to 3 plus function is bx plus 3 equal to 3a plus 1. So if I need to remove the limit, I need to substitute the value of x by 3. So it will be 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 3 equal to 3a plus 1. So 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 3. 3a minus 3b equal to 3 minus 1. Now if I take 3 outside, it will be 3 times of a minus b equal to 2. A minus b equal to 2 by 3. A equal to b plus 2 by 3. Now find the value of k if f of x equal to kx plus 1 x less than or equal to pi cos x x greater than pi is continuous at x equal to pi, which is asked in the year March 2020. So here f of pi is k pi plus 1 equal to pi into k plus 1. So limit extends to pi minus f of x equal to limit extends to pi plus f of x equal to f of pi. So limit extends to pi minus function is kx plus 1. Limit extends to pi plus function is cos x equal to 5k plus 1. So now replacing the value of x by pi, we get pi k plus 1 equal to cos pi equal to pi k plus 1. So pi k plus 1 equal to minus 1. The value of cos pi is minus 1. So pi k equal to minus 2. So k equal to minus 2 by pi. Thank you. Yours Chiranjeevi.